Hello everybody and welcome to another Where's the Gun box break. This one for 2011 Topps Supreme Football. Current time is 12:22 a.m. on Thursday, March 1st. We just missed Leap Day. And here is our buyer list. Let's see if we can make this readable. It's for a group of eBay auctions ending on the 28th. The number on the left is going to be the tiebreaker order, and we'll go ahead and get started. There we go. Topps Supreme. First time opening this product, so we'll see what we can find. And thank everybody for bidding, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance at a free box break. First 100 subscribers will get entered in. You do have to have a YouTube account. I had several people sign up without one, or subscribe without one, so you do need to sign up for one and make sure you're logged in. So I have no way to contact you. Start off, we have a Rashard Mendenhall. These are the numbers on the front, it looks like. Numbered 170 out of 429. Mendenhall. And then our card, we have a Taiwan Jones for the Raiders. Rookie autograph. That is numbered 41 out of 100. Taiwan Jones for the Raiders. So we've got another card back behind here. Looky there. That is huge. That is huge. DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys, numbered 255. That's down here in the corner. 30 out of 55. Just missed the jersey number. That is a huge, huge swatch. Wow. DeMarco Murray for the Cowboys. Wow. Supreme debut. Alright, then we have a John Baldwin, numbered 1 out of 90. Who's that? 99. 1 out of 99. So John Baldwin, red, numbered 1 out of 99. The huge DeMarco Murray swatch there is ginormous. And the Taiwan Jones Red Zone autograph for the Raiders. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other box break auctions.